Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Salesforce Learning. In previous video we discussed about relationships in Salesforce and different types of relationship. Then we discussed about the definition. Then we said that there are two kinds of relationship: lookup relationship, master-detail relationship. And formed out of these, there are three kinds of relationships that come into picture. One-to-many relationship formed from lookup relationship, one-to-many relationship formed from master detail, and many-to-many relationship formed from combining two master detail relationship fields. We also discussed about the differences between master detail and lookup relationships in Salesforce. And now in this particular video we are going to learn the practical implementation of both master detail and lookup relationships, or we can say one-to-many relationship. We will look from lookup relationship, and then we will look into one-to-many relationship from master detail relationship, and then we will look into many-to-many relationship. How can we actually and practically create many-to-many relationship from two master detail relationships? So let's begin. In order to understand the practical implementation of master detail and lookup relationship, I am going to create custom S objects. So custom and standard, there is a difference. Standard is what Salesforce has given to us. Custom is what we create. So let us quickly create few custom objects. This is one S object and graduation degree is another S object. Now a student most probably will be affiliated with just one graduation degree. So we will create a lookup relationship for this. We'll go to the fields and relationship. We will go on new, click on the new button. Over here you see there is a field lookup relationship. We'll click on this field lookup relationship. We'll click on next. We will select related to object. So related to object is the parent object. So over here graduation degree becomes the parent object, because if I am as a student enrolled to graduation degree as B.Tech, so graduation degree has to be a lookup relationship on my record. Now you see a new field, graduation underscore degree underscore C underscore C gets appended to any field or object that you create as custom, like created by you, not created by Salesforce. So we'll go to create a new student record. We will see the student name is Varshit Bhatia. We'll select the graduation degree and we'll click on new graduation degree. We are creating a new education degree. I'll simply mention B.Tech and click on save. So new graduation degree record gets created, and that new graduation degree record gets attached to this particular student Varshit Bhatia. And once I click on save, we have seen that a student enrolled to this graduation degree gets created. Now this is fine, like a student is mostly associated with one graduation degree, but what if a student can also learn Java, a student can also learn C#, .NET, a student can also learn Salesforce, right? So a student can get associated to many courses, but one single graduation degree most probably. So we have created a lookup relationship between graduation degree and the student, but we will have to create a master detail relationship between students enrolled and courses. So we will take another example of master detail relationship now. We'll go to the app launcher. We have created a S object course or courses. We'll open that. We'll create few courses. We'll create one course as Java. Go to the courses. We'll create another course as C#, .NET. Again go to courses and create a new course as Salesforce. So we are having 3 courses. Now we will create another custom object. We'll go to setup. We will go to setup, we'll go to object manager. We will create, click on create, we will create new custom object. We will term it as student enrolled, means a student enrolled to a particular course. This can be plural, can be students enrolled. So we have created 3 courses. Now we will create some students enrolled into those courses. But before that, let's create a master detail relationship between students enrolled and courses. Why master detail relationship? Because if a course, let's say Java, gets deleted, we don't want its students enrolled to be saved. So we will create a new master detail relationship on students enrolled object. Course is the master detail relationship with this. So we will create new students enrolled record. So we'll go to students enrolled. We'll click on new. Now I'll say student enrolled is Varshit Bhatia. Course name is Java, let's say. I'll again go to students enrolled. I'll click on new. This time I'll create a new student, Divya Nagar. In courses I'll select Salesforce. I'll go back to again students enrolled. Click on new. Raj Bhatia, again the student name. Course name this time is C#.net. So if you go to students enrolled, I'll click on all and see there are 3 students created. So Divya Nagar belongs to Salesforce course, Raj Bhatia belongs to C#.net, and Varshit Bhatia belongs to Java course. Now just to see how tightly they are bound, we will delete the Java course. So let this open. Yeah, so this is the Varshit Bhatia Java course. Now I will go to the Java course and delete the Java course. So I am deleting the Java course. So because this is a master detail relationship, the child must also get deleted. So I am on Varshit Bhatia, student enrolled is Varshit Bhatia and course is Java. I'll simply refresh this URL to see if it got deleted or not. Yeah, see, unfortunately there was a problem. Please try again if problem exists. So basically whatever students were enrolled, so there were 3 students who were enrolled, only 2 are left now. The 3rd student automatically get deleted because that was master detail relationship. Now the only thing left is many-to-many relationship that we will discuss in the next video. So stay tuned. Happy learning. Bye bye and thank you.